India boasts some of the world's tallest statues. Renowned for their towering heights, some gain prominence for their exorbitant costs, amounting to crores of rupees. Others are celebrated for their captivating beauty. Serving as a tribute to the legacy and teachings of Adi Shankarara, this is the monumental 108-foot tall Statue of Oneness. The towering statue of Adi Shankarara was recently unveiled in MP's Omkareshwar. The government has invested Rs 2,220 crore to develop the temple town. Now the statue weighs 100 tons and has been installed on a 54-foot high platform. Its robust design, capable of enduring extreme wind conditions and earthquakes, underscores its resilience and longevity. Projected to last for a remarkable 500 years. The structure is supported by a lotus petal base. The statue took 5 years to be completed. It is made of stainless steel, tin, copper and zinc. This statue is a tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It is the tallest statue in the world. The Statue of Unity is twice the height of the Statue of Liberty in the United States. Standing at 182 meters, it is so huge that thousands of people visit it every day. It was constructed at a cost of approximately 2,989 crore. It's on a river island in Gujarat. It is located 3.5 kilometers away from the Sardar Sarovar Dam on the Narmada River in Gujarat. Its height is such that it can be seen from a distance of 7 kilometers. It weighs 1700 tons and has a height of 80 feet for its feet, 70 feet for its hand, 140 feet for the shoulder and 70 feet for its face. It was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on August 31, 2018. PM Narendra Modi inaugurated the Statue of Equality on December 5, 2022 in Hyderabad. This 216-foot tall statue was built in memory of the 11th century saint Sri Ramanujacharya. What makes it special is that it is made of 5 metals: gold, silver, copper, brass and zinc. It is one of the tallest metal statues in the world, standing on a 54-foot high pedestal. Sri Ramanujacharya was a proponent of social equality among all sections of society, hence the name Statue of Equality. The statue's base structure houses a theatre, an art gallery and a research centre. This statue of Naaji Subhash Chandra Bose is of historical significance. It is located at India Gate under the Central Vista project. This 28-foot statue was meticulously carved by craftsmen using granite which was specially brought from Telangana. The stone used for this statue weighed to 80 metric tons and was transported from Telangana to Delhi, a distance of 1665 kilometers on a truck with 140 wheels. The responsibility of carving the statue from a single piece of stone was given to sculptor Arun Yogiraj. The statue is placed at the same spot where a hologram of Bose is projected. It was brought to life by a team of sculptors who spent 26,000 man-hours. The world's tallest statue of Lord Shiva is located in Rajasthan. This 369-foot statue was unveiled last year in 2022. The statue took 10 years to complete.